Hey guys, Praveen here, and in this video we're going to take a look at some of the new updates in my MynaUI Figma file. So if you don't know this file, this is a blend of Shadcn UI, Tailwind CSS, Radix, everything, and it's absolutely free. So this has all the components from Shadcn UI, everything, along with the themings, the all the colors, all the radius, everything, and it has Tailwind design system. And speaking of updates, this is the first update. The colors has been changed in Tailwind 4, and some of the naming system has also changed. So I've updated that, and everything, spacing, typography, everything else is mostly the same. And I've added some blocks, new blocks. So we have some marketing blocks, which is like 404 pages, call to action sections, FAQs, features page, footers, headers, hero section, blog section, everything. So these are all the marketing blocks, and I have also some application blocks. So something that you will use in your applications, everything is over here. So yeah, you can just use this for your any project. It's fully free. You can just go into the community section and search for Myna probably, and it will be right here. Yeah, and this also has custom icons, MynaUI icons also, so you can also get that. So yeah, this is regularly updated. It is always with the latest Shadcn UI and Tailwind CSS design system. So you can just go into my profile. I'll leave the link in the description below. Clone this file, duplicate this file, and use it. And if you just want the Tailwind design system, you can also use this Tailwind design system file. And if you want the MynaUI icons Figma plugin, this is available. So this is just a Figma plugin, something like this. Yeah, so you can use this Figma plugin for MynaUI icons, which has line icons and solid icons. And and if you clone this file, you will get all the Shadcn things. It's fully themable, it's fully editable, so, and it's free forever. Yeah, so just clone this, see for yourself. Let me know if you have any feature requests. Let me know if you want any new components, any icons, and yeah, that's it. I use this file as a starting point for all of my projects, so try that. And yeah, as I said, let me know if you have any feedback. The link is in the description. Go wild. Bye bye.